What's up, guys? If your videos keep buffering or stuttering in VLC Media Player, don't worry. This is usually caused by VLC's playback settings rather than the video itself. So to fix this, first, open VLC Player, click Tools, then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, open the Input Codecs tab. Look for the file caching MS option. Increase the value to around 1000 or even 2000 milliseconds. This allows VLC to buffer more data in advance, which can help reduce stuttering during playback. Click Save, close VLC completely, then open it again so the changes takes effect. It's also a good idea to keep VLC updated, since newer versions often include performance improvements and better supports for modern video formats. And that's it. Your video should now play more smoothly with less buffering and fewer playback interruptions. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.